Look through these lenses, and you're not just seeing the world, you're seeing the future. Inside this stylish Ray-Ban Wayfarer frame lies cutting-edge technology most people will never notice. Microprojectors, neural sensors, invisible waveguides, all working together in perfect harmony. This is the Meta Ray-Ban display, launched at Meta Connect 2025. And today, we're breaking down exactly how it works. The magic begins with the display system. At the temple's edge, a micro-LED projector, smaller than a pencil eraser, generates the image. But how does that image reach your eye without blocking your view? The answer is a transparent waveguide embedded in the lens itself. Light enters at a precise angle, bounces through internal structures using total internal reflection, and exits directly into your pupil. The result? A crisp, floating display that appears right in your field of vision, without obstructing the real world. It's augmented reality, built into glass. Now, let's talk about input. Embedded discreetly in the frame is a 12-megapixel wide-angle camera. It captures high-resolution POV video and stills designed to see what you see. Flanking the camera are dual-directional microphones, optimized for natural audio capture. They isolate your voice from background noise, perfect for calls or voice commands. Meta's engineers spent months ensuring these components stayed hidden, preserving Ray-Ban's iconic aesthetic while packing in functionality. But the real breakthrough isn't on your face, it's on your wrist. The neural band uses electromyography, or EMG, to read electrical impulses generated by your hand and finger muscles. When you make a micro gesture, like a pinch or a flick, the band detects the muscle activity and translates it into a command. No buttons, no touchscreens. Just thought, muscle, signal.
So for the glasses, we are replacing the keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, buttons, dials, with the ability to send signals from your brain with little muscle movements that the neural band will pick up so you can silently control your glasses with barely perceptible movements. And if I want to adjust the volume, I act like there's a volume control in front of me, and I can just turn it, and there we go.
It's invisible interaction, as if you're pressing buttons that don't exist. This is how Meta is redefining human-computer interaction. And it all starts with a simple wristband. Bringing all these components together is an engineering puzzle. The frame must house a battery, camera, projector, waveguide, antenna, and processing chip, all while weighing just 70 grams and looking like a normal pair of sunglasses. Every millimeter is accounted for. The battery sits in the temples, the projector in the right arm, and the waveguide is laminated directly into the lens. It's a masterclass in miniaturization. From the outside, they're unmistakably Ray-Ban. From the inside, they're a glimpse of the next decade. Once you put them on, the technology comes to life. Imagine standing in a foreign supermarket and every label translates in real time.
Yeah, I agree, and it's also cool, it can do translation. So if I'm talking to somebody who speaks a different language than me, I'll get a translation in my native language right on the display, real-life subtitles.
Or sitting in a cafe, hearing a song you don't recognize, and the glasses identify it instantly. Need to record a tutorial, document a process, or capture a memory?
Yeah, all right. All right, what should we take? You got some sick shoes, man.
Some Alex Alpert Oakley's
yeah,
here.
There you go, all right. I'll take some photos. You know what? Let's go ahead and take a video.
Thank you.
Say hi, you want to wave? All right, there you go.
Huh?
The camera records hands-free video in 3K resolution with your exact perspective. Navigation, notifications, video calls, all delivered privately, directly to your eye. This is ambient computing, the interface that disappears. But let's be honest about the trade-offs. The strengths are clear: hands-free convenience, a private heads-up display only you can see, and seamless AI integration through Meta's ecosystem. The downsides? The display is monocular, right eye only, which can cause eye strain over long periods. Battery life is rated at 6 hours of mixed use, meaning heavy users will need daily charging. And despite the sleek design, they're still noticeably thicker and heavier than standard Ray-Bans. It's a first-generation product. Impressive, but not perfect. The Meta Ray-Ban display isn't just a pair of glasses, it's a statement about where wearable technology is heading. At $799, it's not for everyone, yet, but it's the first real step toward a future where the digital world and the physical world live in the same frame. This is the making. We'll see you in the next build.